When it comes to navigating the waters, understanding the steering and sailing rules is crucial for safety and smooth sailing. Picture this. You're out on the water and you spot another vessel approaching. What do? Let's break it down. First, we need to understand the concept of right of way. This is the principle that helps us determine which vessel should yield to the other. There are two main types of vessels to consider: powerboats and sailboats. Generally, powerboats must give way to sailboats under sail, but there are exceptions. Now, let's talk about the stand-on and give-way vessels. The stand-on vessel is the one that has the right of way and should maintain its course and speed. The give-way vessel must take action to avoid a collision. If you're the give-way vessel, you have a responsibility to maneuver safely. This could mean altering your course or slowing down. When two powerboats are approaching each other head-on, both vessels should steer to the right. This is known as the starboard rule. If you're unsure whether you're on a collision course, it's always safer to assume you are and take action. Now, let's say you're sailing and you see another sailboat. If the other boat is on your right side, you're the stand-on vessel. If it's on your left, you need to give way. This is often remembered by the phrase red, right, returning, which helps sailors remember that when returning to port, the red buoys should be on their right. But what if you're overtaking another vessel? The rule here is simple. The overtaking vessel must give way to the one being overtaken. This is true whether you're in a powerboat or a sailboat. Always communicate your intentions clearly, using sound signals if necessary. A single blast means you're altering your course to starboard, while two blasts indicate a port turn. Now, let's not forget about the importance of visibility. If you're in foggy conditions or at night, it's essential to use your navigation lights properly. Powerboats should display a white light at the stern and red and green side lights. Sailboats have similar requirements, but they also need to show a masthead light when under sail. Finally, remember that every situation is unique. Always be aware of your surroundings and don't hesitate to use common sense. If you see another vessel approaching and you're unsure of their intentions, it's better to slow down or change course. Safety should always come first. By understanding these basic steering and sailing rules, you'll be better equipped to navigate the waters confidently and safely. So, the next time you're out there, keep these principles in mind and enjoy your time on the water.